This Mango Tres Leches cake is the perfect treat, a luxuriously soft sponge soaked in a 3-milk blend. Preparing the baking pan. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Now take a 9 by 13-inch baking pan and grease all 4 sides thoroughly. Once it's fully greased, line it with butter paper or parchment paper, making sure all sides are covered neatly. Butter paper prevents the cake from sticking. Set the pan aside, mix in the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, sift all-purpose flour to remove any lumps and to add air in it. Add 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix these dry ingredients well using a whisk or spoon and keep the bowl aside. Separating and beating the eggs. Take 2 clean bowls, separate 5 eggs, placing the yolks in one bowl and whites in another. Cold eggs are easier to separate. Beating the egg whites, beat the egg whites on high speed for about a minute until foamy. Gradually add 1/4 cup powdered sugar in 3 small batches, continuing to beat until soft glossy peaks form. Don't overbeat. Keep aside beating the egg yolks. In the yolk bowl, start beating at high speed. Slowly add 3/4 cup powdered sugar while beating until the mixture turns pale yellow. Check if it forms ribbon-like strings when you lift the batter. That means enough air has been added. Now add 1/3 cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, mixing gently in one direction only, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Do not overmix. Combining the dry and wet mixtures. Start adding the dry ingredients to the yolk mixture in small parts. Mix slowly and gently in one direction. Avoid dumping all the flour at once, as it will stiffen the batter and make mixing hard. Once combined, you'll have a thick, pale batter. Folding in the egg whites. Now, gradually fold the whipped egg whites into the yolk flour batter. Do this gently and patiently using a spatula, taking care not to deflate the air we incorporated. Fast or harsh mixing will ruin the texture and result in a dense cake. Once fully folded and smooth, the batter is ready. Baking the cake. Pour the batter into your prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly and place the pan in your preheated oven. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the top is golden and the toothpick comes out clean. You can see how spongy the cake is. Tres Leches cake always sinks down slightly from the middle when it cools down, and this is totally normal. Now let the cake cool down at room temperature. Making the mango milk syrup. In a mixing bowl, combine the 3 milks. 12-ounce evaporated milk, 9-ounce sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup full cream milk, 1 cup mango puree. Stir everything together until the syrup is completely blended. Refrigerate the syrup so it becomes cold. Do check out our vanilla Tres Leches cake recipe in description. Soaking the cake. Once the cake is at room temperature, refrigerate it for 1 hour. Then take it out, carefully remove the parchment paper and return the cake to the same pan. You can see the cake has sunk slightly. Use a toothpick or fork to poke holes across the surface so that the cake can absorb the syrup. Take the syrup and slowly pour it over the cake. Make sure to cover all corners, edges, and the center. Leave some syrup aside for garnishing. Now refrigerate the cake again for 1 hour to absorb all the syrup fully. Whipping the cream beat. 1 cup chilled whipping cream. Make sure the bowl is also chilled. This is not dairy cream. It's chef whipping cream that already contains sugar and vanilla extract. No need to add extra sugar. Whip until soft peaks form. Avoid overbeating to maintain a smooth, creamy texture. Decorating the cake. For garnishing, we will use mango roses. You can see at the end of this video how to make mango roses. Take out the cake and spread the whipped cream evenly over the top. Garnish with mango roses. Serve the slice with the reserved syrup into a bowl. You can see how soft the cake is and enjoy it with the milk syrup. If making roses feels tricky, you can simply use mango cubes arranged neatly on top. Enjoy the Mango Tres Leches cake with your favorite tea or coffee. Making mango roses. Take 2 large mangoes, peel them, and cut them from the wider side. Thinly slice the mango. Make sure it is thin so that it is easy to bend. Now follow my hand movements. Pull all the slices lengthwise.
Now rotate it inwards. Slowly, it will start taking the shape of a rose. Adjust the slices accordingly.
Do the same steps for the other slice too. If you want to make small roses, take 3 slices or 4 slices of mango and form a rose. Your delicious Mango Tres Leches Cake is ready, moist, fruity, and full of flavor. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.